Growing an interior design business in India today, it's not just about how good you are, it's about how visible you are. You could be amazing at what you do, but if the right people don't see your work, you stay stuck. One month you are juggling side visits, sending designs, quotations, and meeting clients. The next month, nothing. Silence. No inquiries, no calls, no momentum. So, how do you break out of this cycle? How do you consistently attract quality projects without chasing them, without spending hours networking with people, and without you cutting your fees just to stay busy? Now, that's exactly what I will show you in this video. So, whether you have just started your freelancing career or you run your own interior design or architectural firm, if you have completed even a couple of projects and want to land bigger and better ones consistently, then this video is for you. So take a deep breath, put your phone on silent because the next 5 to 10 minutes might just change how you grow your business forever. Hi, I am Raghav, a growth consultant at the Grow Space. We are a performance marketing and client acquisition company built specifically for interior designers and architects in India. And in the past few months alone, we have helped design businesses across India generate 2 crore in project pipeline consistently and predictably without them chasing leads, relying on references, or dropping their fees. In fact, I am so confident in our system that if you don't start seeing results within 60 days, we will work with you for absolutely free until you do. Now, the chances are you have already tried the typical ways of getting clients: signing up on third party websites, asking for references, posting content week after week, maybe even running a few ads or hiring a digital marketing agency. But those dream clients, the 10 lakh, 20 lakh, even 40 lakh projects, still stay out of your reach. And you left thinking, what more should I be doing? Because here's the truth, it's not about your work or your skill, it's that the right people, the high budget decision makers, aren't seeing you. Or worse, they are going with somebody else who simply looks more credible online, even if they are not as good as you are. Now, at this point, you might be thinking that I have tried so many ways to get clients. Why didn't that work? So, let's break this down quickly and honestly. First, if we talk about asking for referrals, now referrals are great but unpredictable. You can't scale your business through references, despite references being one of the top and easy way to get projects. Next, we have signing up on third party websites. For them, you're just another vendor in a long list, so you end up competing on price, not quality. Now, if we talk about posting content, so if you randomly start posting your client wins, new designs, project photos without a real strategy, it barely gets you any traction. Then, if you think of running Google Ads, see, Google Ads are expensive. The cost per lead can goes up to 1000 to 1500 rupees per lead. So, for most designers, it's not sustainable. Lastly, if you think of hiring any digital marketing agency, most agencies nowadays still use outdated and generic strategies, so you end up burning your money without getting real outcomes. Now, if we talk about offline marketing, it is expensive, time consuming, and rarely pays off. And you didn't start your business to sit on endless calls or compete in a race to the bottom. You should be designing, not begging for the work. Now, here's what most interior designers don't realize, that there's one platform that checks all the right boxes, and chances are you might have already used it, but not the right way. I am talking about Meta ads, Facebook, and Instagram. Why? Because they are fast. You can start seeing inquiries within 48 to 72 hours. Next, they are cost effective. We have generated qualified leads for as low as 200 to 500, and they are efficient. So once the system is set, it runs in the background while you focus on your projects. But meta ads are just the engine. What really drives consistent results is the system behind them. And we call it lead to luxury method, a 5 step process built specifically for interior designers and architects in India to attract serious high budget projects. Because let's be honest, it's not about running ads. It's about turning those clicks into conversations and conversations into 10 lakh, 20 lakh, even 40 plus lakh premium projects. Now imagine this. Every week, 10 to 20 people inquire about working with you. People who are renovating villas, revamping their 3 BHKs, or designing their commercial spaces. And they already know who you are. They have seen your work, they trust your expertise, and they have shared details like their budget, location, and design style before you even speak with them. So by the time you connect with them, they are already halfway convinced. That's not a dream. That's exactly what our system does. Now, if at any point you feel like this is what you need, click the button below to book a quick strategy call with me. You don't have to wait till the end. Now, that being said, let's walk you through our lead to luxury method, the 5 step system. Now, step one, nail your niche and craft the right offer. So, the very first thing that we help you is to niche down. So you stop looking like just another interior designer. Because if this video said marketing for anyone, you probably wouldn't have clicked. But you did, because it directly spoke to you. Now that's exactly how your client should feel when they see your brand. So how we do it? We start by helping you identify your niche based on the past projects. Maybe it's luxury villas, NRI homes, senior living or retirement home interiors, Airbnb properties, or compact to BHKs. And once your niche is clear, we help you craft an offer that feels like the perfect solution to their pain points, because they are not looking for someone who is providing design services. They are looking for someone who can make their life easier. So instead of just selling design services, provide them real outcomes, end to end execution, stress free designs for NRIs, turnkey concepts for busy professionals, senior living or retirement home designs, or space maximization for city apartments. And we position you as a specialist, not just as a service provider. That's how your brand stands out and attracts serious clients. And when your marketing speaks to the exact problems your dream clients are facing, you don't have to chase them. They will come to you. Now, that's the first step in attracting serious, high budget projects consistently. Now, step two, launch ads that speak to your ideal client. So, we will help you set up a complete performance marketing ecosystem. Once your niche and offer are in place, we launch meta ads that are built to convert. Now, we are not talking about random boosted posts here. So, these are ad campaigns with crystal clear messaging written specifically for your audience, backed by high performing creative that makes your brand feel premium and trustworthy from the first touch. And we will do smart targeting here to reach your audience in cities or locations you want to serve. Even if you want your clients from multiple states, or if you want to go pan India, we will still target those areas where real estate is booming, where people have the mindset and money to invest in interiors. Now these ads bring in qualified leads who already resonate with your style, your offer, and your positioning. And the best part, you start seeing results in as little as 48 to 72 hours. Now, step 3, build a 3-step funnel that qualifies and book clients. Now, ads bring attention, but you don't want to send that traffic to your Instagram DM or WhatsApp. So, you need a system that filters and qualifies every inquiry. That's why we built you a scientifically designed 3-step funnel. So, number one, a landing page that highlights your niche, your offer, and your best work. Second, a strategic form that collects important project details like their budget, timeline, location, and project details. Filters out time wasters. Number three, a calendar booking page where clients can directly schedule a consultation call with you. Now imagine waking up to a calendar full of pre-qualified appointments from people who already know your work, understand your value, and are ready to talk seriously. No back and forth, no vague inquiries, just serious, high intent prospects delivered directly to your schedule. And that's the power of having conversion focused landing page. Not just pretty one, but the one that does the heavy lifting for you. Now step 4, follow up coordination and campaign optimization. Now once the leads start coming in, we don't just sit back and hope they convert. We handle two crucial things, your ad performance and your follow up system. On the ad side, we actively test different copies, creatives, and targeting options so we can lower your cost per lead and improve lead quality. Once we find what's working, we scale it. So your budget only goes into what's working. Now, on the follow up side, we plug in a simple system that helps you respond fast and professionally. That includes WhatsApp automation, calendar reminders, email follow ups, and a ready to use script to connect with new leads the moment they come in. Because when you follow fast, people take you seriously. And that's how you go from just another designer to fully booked with premium clients. Now, the final step, retargeting, reactivation, and consistent pipeline growth. Now, here's the thing, not every lead will take action the first time they see your ad. Some need more time, some need more trust, some just get busy. That's why we don't stop at the first click. So, what we do? First, we set up retargeting campaigns to stay in front of people who showed interest but didn't book a call, reminding them why they stopped scrolling in the first place. Next, for the older leads who went cold, we run reactivation campaigns to bring them back. People who once showed interest but didn't convert. That way, every lead you generate stays in your ecosystem, getting nurtured, educated, and re engaged until they are ready to move forward. And that's how we help you build a predictable, reliable, compounding pipeline of serious, high ticket clients, not just for this month, but for the months ahead. Now I know every agency out there, they will say they will get you leads. But here's what different about us. It's already working quietly for designers just like you. Dream Interiors, a newly launched firm from Bangalore, Fardeen and Akshay, came to us for quick traction. Within just 60 days, they had 57 plus lakh worth of jobs confirmed, with over 2 CR in their pipeline, all from Meta ads and a clear strategy that spoke to their ideal client. 232 qualified leads, a 4000% ROI, no guesswork. Panic Studios. They had previously hired an agency, saw no results. With us, they generated 72 qualified leads, multiple 3 BHK and 4 BHK projects, and a 1 CR in their pipeline, all under 10K ad spend. Organic Architect, a leading firm from Mumbai, saw 1.5 CR in their pipeline in just 15 days, and with 15 solid appointments and multiple 10 lakh plus project in active conversations. Now, here you could see some campaign results. 57 leads generated with 170 cost per lead, and 101 leads generated with over 180 cost per lead. Now, here you could see some client wins here. 20 lakh plus project closed, then 2 deals closed in 1 day. Now, if it worked for them, it can work for you as well by implementing our lead to luxury method. Now, if you're still here watching this till the end, that means you are serious about growing your interior design or architectural business, and you're done waiting for good leads to hopefully show up. Now, you have seen the system, you have seen the results. Now, you have two options. Option one, you can do it alone. You can take everything I just shared and try to piece it together yourself. And yes, it's possible, but it will take time, testing, and trial and error. You'll spend months trying to figure out the right ad creatives, writing copy, building funnels, and managing follow ups, all while juggling with your current projects. Or you have option two, partner with us and you shortcut the entire learning curve. You bring the design expertise, we bring the system, you skip the guesswork, and you start seeing results faster with a clear path and support every step of the way. Now, that being said, before you jump in, I want to be honest with you. This is not for complete beginners or someone who's still figuring out what they want to do. This is for you if you are already a practicing interior designer or architect who has done few real projects and now you are ready to scale your business. Now, if that's you, click the button below and let's talk. For the next 7 days, I have set aside a few slots to personally speak with interior designers and architects just like you to see if the system would be the right fit for your business or not. So we will get on a quick Google Meet, 45 to 60 minutes max, and I will ask you a couple of questions about your current setup, your goals, and the kind of clients you want to attract. If I can help, I will walk you through exactly how we would implement lead to luxury method specifically for your business. If not, I will still point you in the right direction with clear steps. No hard sell, no pressure, just clarity here. And this could be the most important 45 minutes you spend on your business this year. I'll see you on the call. Cheers. Bye.